Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. Market seems to be trading in range, so will be volatile between 18,850 to 18,700. Selling can be seen below 18,640 levels. Market seems to be trading in range, so will be volatile between 43,000 to 43,500. Selling can be seen below 42,900 levels. After sharp up move, stock is trading in consolidation zone, can long above 343 with stop loss of 2 points. Selling pressure seen near previous resistance zone, can short below 435 with stop loss of 3 points. After breakout of resistance zone, buying momentum seen and same can continue, can go long with stop loss of 6 to 7 points. Breakdown of support zone, can short with stop loss of 18 to 20 points. Stock trading near previous high can give breakout, can go long above 1138 with stop loss of 6 to 7 points. Stock trading near previous high can give breakout, can go long above 650 with stop loss of 3 to 4 points. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.